Are you excited?
I'm stoked,
dude.
man.
I'm excited.
This is a big one. I've been waiting a long time for this.
Yeah, you have. Did it take 6 months for it to come in? I guess it was about. Yeah, it was October.
October 6th, I think.
Gosh. Well, here it is. Looky, looky. Here comes Cookie. I do need to get that just for legal reasons. I need to get that on video. You are going to let me ride it.
You will be able to ride.
Yes!
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Of all the people in the free world, you are the only person other than me that will ride this bike.
There he goes. The maiden voyage. Out into the sandstorm. All right, man, I'll catch you later. Be careful. That's a happy dude right there. You learned something last night?
On this bike.
Okay.
Oh, don't do that.
Impromptu recording.
So this headlight, because it's a projection headlight, it's an LED projection.
All titanium.
At the outer edges, it looks blue. So as you're going down the road, and let's say a sign comes into the headlight, the sign will light up blue until it gets really lit up by the light, and then it'll turn white. So the very edges of that light look blue.
That's interesting. So how did your ride home go in the sandstorm, though?
It was dusty. Yeah, we got home, got the kids fed, and then ended up riding a little bit more last night.
How many miles do you have on it now?
22.
Oh, okay. You're going to be selling this H2 here pretty quick.
Yeah, I'm pretty disappointed with that after riding the Big Brother.
Yeah. But at the same time, though, this one is so shiny and so rare, you might want to go ahead and keep the ZH2 as more of a bang-around bike. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
And technically, the way you got this tuned, it actually has more horsepower than the H2 does, even though it doesn't have the aerodynamics or the gearing or any of that. So, awesome.
Well, and I'll be honest with you, this is rip your arms off fast.
Yeah.
And I haven't gotten it over 6,000 RPMs, and it's scary fast. I've got the traction control turned all the way up right now, and I'm spinning the back tire in second gear.
Jeez, dude. God dang.
On Saturday, I'll be at Pinwheel.
Okay. Well, and Saturday I may go to San Angelo for the day.
Nice.
So, but we'll definitely have to maybe get together maybe tomorrow night and then definitely on Sunday.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll keep you posted on my schedule. But
I'm off Friday, so I've got. All
yeah,
Friday.
I'm off Friday too. Yeah, for Good Friday, so be a good riding day. All right, man. I saw the garage door was open, and
Yeah.
since we live a block from each other, I thought I'd drop by on my way home. Dude, that metal flake is just perfect. I wonder if that's going to show. I hope it. So. Yeah, I hope it does too.
I gotta get the top of my tank like sanded buff. I got a lot of little scratches in it.
Oh.
Take it over and get this fucking insert put in too. So I saw one of those windshields you were talking about. Those it'll look like exhaust.
Yeah, it's got kind of that rainbow oily. Yeah,
they actually look pretty good. I was like, man, that looks pretty good.
Let's check out your color now on your titanium. Oh, it's looking way better now. That's looking beautiful right there. That's exactly what you want. Cool.
I can fit a rag in my cubby hole. That is it.
It's not a touring bike.
It's not a touring bike.
My goodness, the gang is all here.
I gotta admit that you called this right.
I did.
You want me to quote this? I'll bet you Mark shows up to ride Sunday with his brand new bike and with the pipe on it.
Yeah, I knew you weren't going to wait for the break-in period to put that titanium pipe on there. I'm not stupid. This ain't my first rodeo.
It had 50 miles on the original pipe.
I throw mine on.
Wait until you guys hear this when we're riding around. This thing has the baffle in it, and I could hear it over my bike and the wind an eighth of a mile away.
Really?
Oh yeah, man, it sounds great. Okay, last chance. Are you sure you want me to do this?
You drop it, you own it.
I thought you had gap insurance.
I'm gonna drop it there.
Hell yeah. Do you want the key?
It's in it.
Oh, damn it.
Let me explain something to you. When you spend $38,000 on a motorcycle, don't leave the key in it. All right. Here we go. It's the first time I've been on an H2 since 2019. Wow. I'm not worthy. All right, this riding position is actually extremely dedicated, and that seat feels like it's made literally out of a piece of marble. I'm such an old man when it comes to this stuff. Wow. Left it in first to give Mark a taste of what his exhaust sounds like as I went by him. Oh yes. See, this is why I shouldn't ride bikes like this, because it makes me want one. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. That is pure pleasure. That's endorphins is what that is. yeah, I could get used to this, boys. Holy mackerel. See, now I'm so excited and I have so many endorphins going. There's so much dopamine in my system from the acceleration of this that the riding position's not bothering me now. The riding position actually quite pleasant at the moment. This is our buddy right here in the riding group. Gonna be in my way. Get on over to the right. All right, I don't want to push it any harder than that. I'm gonna take it back to Mark and let him have it. Otherwise, I'm going to be going down and ordering one of these tomorrow, and I don't need to spend $30,000+ on something like this. Okay, man, let me tell you something. Not only would I sell a kidney probably to have one of these, I'd probably sell both kidneys. What a ride, man. The traction control, like you said, it only kind of works. Did you say you have it turned all the way up?
Yes.
Ooh, man, dude, I was spinning the back tire several times.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, dude. Oh my gosh. It's a whole different...
It's a monster.
It doesn't feel like anything I've ever ridden. I've ridden the brand new Hayabusa. I've ridden these dudes' Ducatis, and you know, I mean, I've ridden all other. I mean, I've ridden a pretty wide swath of motorcycles in my day. This is on another. This is another chapter of the history of motorcycling right here, and they've got it refined. Yeah. Like this is the most refined version yet. I mean, thanks a million for letting me ride it.
Absolutely.
I appreciate that, man. Sweet. Absolutely sweet.